Hi folks, in today's tutorial in the intermediate series for Illustrator, I'll be talking about the gradient tool and how to apply it to objects and as well as text. Now, there are actually a few ways you actually could get gradient going for any object, and one of the ways is you select an object, you go on the top right here, and then you click one of the gradients. Now when that happens, you should have a gradient panel pop out, or usually it's sometimes on the side right here. If it's not right here, if it's not showing anywhere, all you have to do is go to Window, go down to until you see gradient, check it. The shortcut's Control F9 if you're lazy, and then from there you have different options. Like for example, if you want to change colors, all you have to do is click on one of these squares and then change the color to something. Let's make it red. Red, and then we want the second color to be it doesn't always pop up. Alright, so let's make the second color blue. Now, to add extra colors to this gradient slider is you hover over the right underneath the bar right here, and then your mouse pointer will click and will have a plus sign added to it. So you just click and then you get an extra marker. From there you can change the color. Let's make it let's say purple. Purple. So right now I have 3 colors, and then as you can see is the angle right here is minus 74.4 degrees. That is the angle of the gradient. You can change to wherever you like. You could put to 45, you could type in the angle 54, or if you don't want to do it that way, you could use the gradient tool itself, which creates your bar right here, and then you can just go like this. Smooth gradient, left, right, like this, doesn't matter. The shorter the bar is, the more, I don't know, less softer the change is between the various colors. So the longer it is, the more smooth. So it's up to your preference right there. Now you could change the type of gradient. Type right here, linear to radial. And the difference between the two different types of gradients is that you can't change the angle right here. Does nothing. Because it's basically gradient from center to edge, while the linear is from left to right, or basically from edge to edge. However, you could change the aspect ratio, which is, let's put it 40%, 400%, and like before, you could just type in a number, say 150. Now, with the gradient tool, you could change the position of it. So, like before, just click and drag, and you tell Illustrator where you want the gradient to start. So, it's quite handy. Or, if you don't want to do that, you could change location this way. That's location, drop the menu, say 40%, 10, 100, fills up most of it. Or you could change the opacity. You could change opacity of the various colors. So basically changing the opacity here, put to 30%, let's put it back to 100%, and we'll change the location, we'll put it to 40%. So basically, to change the past location each object, just click here and change it, or just drag right here. Another thing you might notice, let's bring back linear, is these diamonds right here. If I go like this, as you can see, the red is a lot shorter than anything else. It just tells you when to stop and blend to the next color. And because I have 3 colors right here, I'll have 2 diamonds to work with. So it's quite handy. And oh yeah, so that's everything for that vector object. And now let's go to the text. First thing you might want to do, is you go here. Sorry. You go right here, you click on that, and you're like, wait a second, there's no colors here, but it's gradient there. If that happens, there's 2 ways you could do it. Fix that is you right click on the text, right click, and create outlines. Now you use the gradient tool, Oops, let's change the, there you go. Now you get the gradient working. However, doing this way applies the gradient to each character individually. It doesn't apply to the whole text. If you want for the whole text, you go to Object, Expand, and when that happens, it should work actually. And let's see. Actually, no, you get the same thing. See if I can fix that. Expand again. Change color. Okay, you still get the same effect, however slightly different this way. However, it's still individual text objects that I had applied to gradients, so it's not the whole sentence. And well, anyways, that's how you add gradient to text and to the object right here. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next time.